the best way to wash your car with paint protection film on it?
Quickest way to damage your paint protection film is to do nothing at all. You do want to regularly wash the vehicle. So the best way to wash a vehicle with paint protection film on it is a hand wash. Pretty simple. Hand wash is with your hands. It's not a machine. It's not, with a bunch of brushes. It's a soft cloth, a good car wash soap. I know.
Jay's with us from his garage. That's fast. Was it a winner?
It was a winner. I mean, it is now the fastest production car you can buy. Faster than any Ferrari, faster than any $3.5 million Bugatti. And that's why I love this car. $130,000 is a tremendous amount of money. But to get the same performance from an internal combustion engine, you probably have to spend, in the case of Bugatti, $2.5 million, or Ferrari, close to $1 million. So it's pretty amazing.
That Teslas have issues with paint. Is that true?
We have seen several issues with, the Tesla, but we see it in all the manufacturers really. That goes from all the way up to Lamborghinis down. None of them are perfect. Yeah, the water-based paint's very soft. The paints just aren't what they used to be 30 years ago. It's not, with a bunch of brushes, it's a soft cloth, a good car wash soap. I know specifically Camarillo, Ventura area, they do have very hard water. In that area, I would recommend washing the vehicle later in the day. It's much cooler, gives you more time when you're drying it after you wash it to get that water off. But either way, washing it is much better than doing nothing.
So it's more important to wash it regularly, even though it may not be a hand wash, than it would be to not wash it at all.
Absolutely. Drive-through car wash would be better than nothing. Regulations has forced that. Definitely recommend doing at least a ceramic coating. Tesla owners understand that, and I think that's why we work on so many. I'm a fan, I do like them, but there are definitely some flaws in the paint. That type of customer, they're keeping the car much longer, and they see the value in doing the full wrap to, again, protect it for a long term.
And in your experience, are people here typically to get ceramic coat or paint protection film on their Tesla?
Ceramic coating as well, but I would say the majority are paint protection film.
Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Maverick in just 3 minutes. The Ford Maverick is a new kind of pickup, stunningly fuel efficient and built Ford tough.
5-passenger, 4-door pickup available in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. 40 miles per gallon in the city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas.
The truck bed offers all kinds of organization and DIY solutions,
like bed dividers or any number of other solutions. 2 available 110-volt outlets, 1 in the cabin and 1 in the bed. 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet with the tailgate down. It has a max payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and standard towing capacity of 2,000 pounds.
2-liter EcoBoost engine, which provides optional all-wheel drive, also has an available max towing package of 4,000 pounds. Maverick is built with smart technology like a standard embedded modem, which allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle